TracFone Hotspot problems can be frustrating, but they usually stem from three specific causes that we can identify and understand. TracFone Hotspot issues typically fall into three categories: plan restrictions, incorrect APN settings, or device compatibility problems. Let's examine each cause in detail. The most common cause is plan restrictions. Many TracFone plans simply don't include hotspot functionality by default. This means even if your phone supports it, your plan may not allow it. The second major cause involves APN settings. After Verizon acquired TracFone, the network infrastructure changed. Most customers now need the new APN setting, TracFone.vzntp, for proper data routing. The third cause is device compatibility. Older smartphones and some unlocked phones may lack proper hotspot provisioning or require additional configuration to work with TracFone's network. Understanding these three root causes, plan restrictions, APN configuration, and device compatibility, is essential for diagnosing your TracFone hotspot problems. With this knowledge, you can now move forward with targeted troubleshooting solutions. Now, we'll walk through a systematic troubleshooting process to fix your TracFone hotspot issues. Follow these steps in order for the best results. First, verify your TracFone plan includes hotspot functionality. Open the TracFone app or call customer service to check your current plan details, hotspot data allowance, and remaining usage. Next, configure your APN settings manually. Go to your phone's mobile network settings and create a new APN with these specific values. APN should be TracFone.vzwentp, MMSC should be http://mms.tracfone.com, MCC is 311, MNC is 480. If the APN settings don't resolve the issue, try resetting your network connection. Toggle airplane mode on and off, then restart your device completely. You can also reset all network settings if the problem persists. For persistent issues, check for carrier settings updates, especially on older devices. If your device is incompatible or your plan doesn't support hotspots, consider upgrading to a newer plan with dedicated hotspot data, or contact TracFone support for device-specific assistance. Following these 4 steps systematically should resolve most TracFone hotspot issues. Remember to verify your plan first, configure the correct APN settings, try network resets, and consider upgrades if needed. Most problems can be solved with proper APN configuration.